drinking black coffee on white bedding. I'm gonna use this as a headband because I don't have a headband. So if anyone wants to give me a headband, please send me a headband. She's cute. The cars are so loud today. I don't know why. I don't know if you can hear me because I just realized that I filmed something else. Oh no, I'm finished. Look at my hair. It's a bit better. Yeah, welcome back to the vlog, guys. I don't know if you can hear me because I put the camera over there and I tried to speak and it was just like not sounding great. So where's my coffee? I think my sister's awake. If you couldn't tell, I moved. Yeah, there's just a lot that's been going on and I didn't feel like I was kind of emotionally, not emotionally ready, but emotionally there to kind of be filming vlogs. Oh my god, can these cars relax? I swear, it was so quiet this whole morning, and then as soon as I turned the camera on, it's like people have somewhere to be. I mean, they probably do. It's a Thursday morning at 7:52, but doesn't make that doesn't give them an excuse to be assholes. I mean, I live on like a small road. It's like residential almost, and they're zooming down this road. Unacceptable, honestly. Oh shit, my camera's gonna die. Yeah, but I will give you a bit of a life update later. I feel better and ready to take on the vlogs again. I'm gonna take you through my day. I don't really have much planned, but yeah, we'll just see how it goes. So they are like doing road works or building or fixing the freaking something in like a few roads below us. There's this massive like digger loader thing. I don't know if you probably can hear. I'm actually gonna close the windows. It's so annoying because this thing comes up and down the road like 10 times a day and it's so slow and so loud and I actually just cannot cope. I have an interview at 11, so but I need breakfast first because I'm starving. It's currently 10 now, so I'm gonna do that quick and then start getting ready. Yeah, I applied for this job by like chance, like not by chance, like I just applied like randomly for like a whole bunch of stuff, like freelance stuff, and then they like got back to me and I didn't expect them to get back to me because I was quite surprised when they sent me an email saying they wanted to schedule an interview. So I was like, okay, well, YOLO, why not? So yeah, I'm very interested to see how that goes. The job is very cool and it actually fits like my vibe very well. So I don't know, I have a good feeling maybe it could be something cool. And then my gran is coming to visit later and I have a package arriving today. And that's as far as I know. Okay, this is the breakfast situation. I don't have time to make it look cute because I have 40 minutes till this interview and I still need to like get ready. Yeah, toast is a little bit larger than I thought it was gonna be, but I love bread, so it's fine. Anyway, also this is the current living room situation. We don't have a table or chairs yet, so I'm gonna eat my breakfast on the couch like this. So yeah. Okay guys, it is 10:51 and my interview's at 11. So I literally just rushed to like finish eating and like make myself look somewhat presentable. I decided to put some makeup on just so I didn't look like a garbage rat. And then I didn't know what shirt to wear, so I'm just wearing my trusty silk satin button-up short sleeve. I mean, it's not the best, but it looks like all right. Is what it is. Anyways, wish me luck. I will give you feedback afterwards. It's fucking hot today. I'm so tired of this heat. I'm over it. I'm so over it. What is the time? Okay, I still have time. My hair is crazy. I look like a crazy lady. I am a crazy lady, but it'll be fine. This is my setup. This is my desk because I literally have no tables or chairs. Like chaos. So the interview went great. Holding thumbs would be so great if I got it, but I don't want to get my hopes up either. But it would be great. My sister's on the balcony now. Honey babe, do you want to say hi to the vlog? Stop it. This is the outfit of today. What? So, let me just give you a quick apartment tour. What? My gran is coming down on to bring us some stuff because we have like no chairs, so she's gonna just bring us some chairs for the meantime. And then Callista said she was gonna come pop in and visit. So yeah, but I also told them to come like after 12 because obviously the interview was at 11. See such interesting characters here. So funny. So today's been a bit chaotic already, and it's only like, what's the time? Oh, 1:30. My gran came to visit just after my interview. Oh my god, my hair. And then I filmed some stories for a brand that I need to post today, actually lol. And I need to shoot content for them as well for it was like one drop that I completely forgot about. Chaos, but the deadline's only tomorrow, so that's fine. I have another parcel that's coming out for delivery now, so it's just gonna be a chill at home type of day. There's been a lot going on today, but it's been good. I have good feelings, I'm in good spirits, and that's where I'm at the moment. I might make an iced coffee. I feel like something spicy like that. So my gran got me these. I'm quite interested to see how they taste. It's like you don't have to put hot water in them, which is quite interesting and very convenient. I mean, I'm not expecting like the most delicious cup of coffee, but I feel like it's gonna be nice for like a sweet little beverage. So I'm quite interested to see. You just need to add cold water and ice. So let's do this. What? How much water do you add? Town? Where?
To get food.
What food?
Sushi.
Annie? Annie? What about you? It's fine.
I'm working tonight. So
Are you? This is the first time I get to use my ice tray with a lid. Okay, water. Interesting so far. I mean, it's working. That is not bad. out of 10 would recommend. I mean, is it the strongest coffee? No. But is it nice for a sweet beverage? Yes. My sister and her boyfriend went to go get sushi for lunch. So I thought, now that no one's here, it's the perfect time to give you guys an apartment tour. I know a lot of people have been asking on Instagram. Just bear in mind, everything is a mess and we don't have proper furniture yet, and we still have a lot of boxes and like shit everywhere. So just think about the potential with everything in mind. Okay, so this is what it looks like as you walk in. We have this beautiful arch in like the passageway. So everything, it's not like open plan, clearly it's like segmented almost, but I really like it. Like the little segments, it just keeps things quite private. So you walk in and then you have this beautiful arch. This arch is like literally what sold me. Like when I saw it, I was obsessed. And these ceilings are super high and like double volume. And then you walk in and then on your left is like the living room. So nice big living room, super high ceilings. I mean, obviously there's like boxes and shit everywhere. And so we have half of our couch. But the other half, so it's like an L shape, but the other half was too big to fit up the stairs, so we have to hoist it over the balcony. So my dad is gonna organize that. So for now we have half the couch and the pillows, and then we have this random chair that my granny brought me and just like random like shit lying all over the place. Like these are boxes. This is my sister's stuff, not Gabby, Pascal. That was just, don't even get me started on that. But yeah, we need to get rid of this. We're gonna go put it, excuse my nails as well, these are disgusting. We're gonna go put that in storage because it's not mine nor Gabby's stuff. I live with my sister, if you didn't know. Yeah, so all of this is gonna go. It's not ours. And then we have a little mirror. Definitely gonna get a bigger mirror though. This is just for the meantime, like from our old stuff. And then the living room leads onto the balcony. Super cute balcony, massive little jacaranda tree. It's like a field next to us, and then this like overlooks, you know, town kind of, but super cute balcony. Also just like random chairs that my granny brought shame place because we had no chairs. But I want to find like a cute little bistro set that we can like put out here with like a little table, because it's so nice like in the morning and the evenings to like just sit out here. So yeah, so this leads back onto the living room, and then as you walk in again on your right, this is my sister's room. It's a bit also of a mess at the moment, like we just have stuff everywhere. And then you carry on going, and then on the right is the bathroom. Super cute bathroom, like super simple, like shower, toilet, basin, vanity cupboard. This is quite nice because it's got a lot of like storage and stuff in here. I need to organize it. This needs to go in the back of the door. I don't know why it's on the shower. Yeah, so back to the passage. Then on your left we have my room, which is the main bedroom. I love it. It's super bright in here, super cute. I need to put a bed base cover on that so we don't look at that. But yeah, it definitely gets the most light, which is ideal. My room also leads onto the balcony, so super cute. I can wake up and open my doors and I'm on the balcony again. Love that. So yeah, lots of cupboard space, but somehow I still need more storage. That's why I have these boxes here, because it's still got crap in it. But yeah, and then we go into the kitchen. Super cute kitchen. It's very big, also has a lot of storage space. I might actually use it for, yeah, we took this off because like sometimes when you walk it's like a cupboard cabinet. Yeah, anyway. So that's that. And then we also have a scullery. So we had a fridge, but it needs to be regassed, so we're using the smaller fridge for the meantime. And then it's nice, we've got like all our appliances there, junk there. Gonna put like a washing machine like underneath there. It's literally a mess there though, so I'm not even gonna show you that. But yeah, so this is the kitchen, super cute. Also a lot of cupboards. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I'm so excited for like all the boxes and shit to be gone, and like to actually start decorating and like styling this place. I think it's gonna be so nice. Very on brand. And it took us a really long time to like get here and find a place like this. We looked through so many places that just weren't like fitting and like they were like caves and like dark, or they were so small, and it was just like, then this place came up and the photos on Property 24 didn't even do it justice, and I was like, no, but I see wooden floors and I see like, you know, high ceilings. I was like, maybe. And then like when we walked in, when we came to like look at the place and I saw that massive arch, I was like, oh my gosh, yes, give it to me. And it was so nice. The tenant who lived here before, she was a yoga instructor, and she had her own brand of like natural hair care products. I'm not sure what the name is, but like as we walked in, it like smelled like essential oils and like incense, and it was just so nice. And I was like, oh, the energy in this place is so good. I think it's a really nice fresh like new chapter for me. You know, I really need it, like after going through everything. Like if you follow me on Instagram, you would know that like I went through a lot in the past couple months. That's why I haven't been vlogging, and I'm just also feeling very like, you know, a bit lost and like not knowing what like direction I'm supposed to be going in. And also just because I've had to deal with so much stuff, like I actually haven't had time to focus on myself or focus on like my career, or like what am I doing, where am I going. I'm very excited to start this new chapter and like making way for like all these new opportunities to come in, and I just feel very positive about it. You know, I need to work on like healing from the past because it's been a lot. My ambitious soul decides to put me through a lot. Bless her. I actually cannot wait till all this shit is gone. Anyway, what's the time? I don't know if I'm hungry because I'm bored, or if I'm hungry because I'm genuinely hungry. I do need to shoot content, but yeah. Oh, I definitely want to get some big mirrors here. We love a mirror. Just narcissist things. I'm kidding. But yeah, no, I really love this place, and I'm very excited, and I'm very excited to be back on YouTube, and I just feel so inspired again. And you know, I'm just so excited to curate a space that is just so optimal for content. And anyways, that's me for now. That's sort of a life update. I will check in with you guys later. Hey guys, I think I'm gonna end off the vlog here just because there's some stuff that I need to organize, and my package that got delivered today, I can't actually post about. I was going to show you, but I can't post about it till tomorrow. So I was like, I'll just save it for the next vlog. But I think this is a sufficient welcome back. I think this is a sufficient welcome back. Yeah, definitely we'll be seeing more vlogs from me. Definitely some decorating vlogs, more interior vibes. Comment what you want to see, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, obviously. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are back again, thank you so much for returning. And if you are new, please stay. We have a lot of fun, we talk a lot, we're very open and honest. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.